Everybody, thank you for watching my channel. In this video I am going to explain you what is machine learning in broader term, and a different definition whatever you have seen earlier. The definition, the concept will be completely different to understand for a layman. In a very easy way I am going to explain you the concept behind the machine learning. Before going to start explaining the machine learning, first I want to explain what is learning. What do you think about learning? If I talk about when you were a kid, right, and you was walking on your hand and using your hand and feet, correct? You was somewhere in the age of 1 year or 2 year. At that time you was not able to stand and walk. We saw somebody walking on her leg. Then the kids started standing up and then walking, correct? So he saw something and then adopt that and try to do the same thing. That is the learning, right? We learn from the environment. We see something and then we learn and then try to do the same thing. Now coming back to machine learning, right? Machine learning is something that you are going to tell machine to learn. You are doing exercises. Now machine is learning day by day, and the day you are now predicting the things from by using the machine learning. In the similar way, how human learn. Let me take another example. Let's say you are in a mathematics class and your teacher is actually giving you the arithmetic problem for adding two number. Let's take. In the class, teacher first explain how to add two number. Let's say here 3 and another number is 2. Teacher explain 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, now you count 1 1 1 3 and then 2. So now again you count 1 2 3 4 and 5. So the answer is 5. 2 plus 2, similar way, 4. So teacher is actually training you in the class. Once the training finish, now teacher have to evaluate your knowledge. Then the teacher will test you. Okay, teacher will give you some example to test your knowledge. Arithmetic problem, correct? So teacher has given two problem, 3 plus 6. Now you have to answer the things. And then another problem is 2 plus 2. The question here is, if the teacher give you the same problem what you have seen in the training, correct, here, then it will be a kind of cheating, right? Because the same problem you have already been seen, right, in the training. So the thing is that here now we have understood what is training and what is the test. So whatever the problem that you have solved in the training should not be in the test. Otherwise it will be a kind of cheating, correct? So to get the to evaluate the performance of the student, teacher have to give the similar problem like arithmetic problem, because you have trained your student. Teacher have trained the student for the arithmetic. The teacher cannot give the multiplication or product kind of problem. Teacher can only give the arithmetic problem by adding the two number, but the number should be the examples and the problem should be different than the training. Here if you look at the example, 2 plus 2 is already been trained by the student. So in the test, the problem this will be a kind of cheating, right? This example. So teacher have to give the different examples which are not being trained in the training session, correct? So this is the two concept, training and evaluation, the testing, that's the performance. So in the machine learning, what we actually doing, we are giving machine the problem, and now machine is understanding the problem. Okay, during the training you can see here you have the question and the answer. Now machine understood 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, correct. Now machine understood this fact, and then whenever you are going to pass the test data to the machine, machine will answer the addition problem, what exactly is the addition, correct. So this way actually in the machine learning we solve the problem. So machine learning algorithm, we first trained the algorithm with the training data and evaluate the result with the test data. So training and test data both are different, correct. So this is the basic concept of the machine learning. There are many algorithms designed for different kind of activity that you will see in the upcoming videos.